In this video, we will review the data and trading connector configuration in the Universe Configurator. To start, click on the data connector header and you will see a list of data connectors that can be added to the system. If a connector is in use, you will see a number next to the connector instance. Press on the arrow sign and you will see the specific configuration. The details of the configuration will be displayed by clicking on it. The status of the connector will be displayed as well. You can either start or stop the feed by pressing the appropriate button. In this case, if we stop it, you can see the status changes and it now shows not active. Again, to restart it, we'll press the start button. And you can see the status changes again. To add a new data connector configuration, select the connector from the left. The details of the connector will appear on the right. For example, if we click on Gemini, you can see the details populated here on the right. The connector will be populated with default values which can be edited. Once you are satisfied with the settings, press the Create button. And you can see now that the new configuration is displayed here on the left. To create a trading connector, press the Trading Connector tab. Now, similar to the data configuration, on the left you'll see a list of trading connectors that can be added to the system. If a connector is in use, you will see a number next to the connector instance. Press the arrow key again and you will see the specific configuration. The details of the configuration will be displayed again by clicking on it. To add a new trading connector configuration, select the connector on the left and the details of which will be displayed here on the right. For example, if we look at the Gemini adapter, you can see the details here populated on the right. Now, depending on the type of connector selected, the parameter values will vary. As you can see here on the Gemini adapter, it uses REST and WebSockets. And those are populated using the default values. If we were to take a look at the Gemini Fix adapter, you can see a different set of parameters are populated. Now again, similar to the data connectors, if you want to create a configuration, just populate the details, and we'll put in some test credentials here, and press the Create button. You will see that the configuration is created here on the left-hand side, and by clicking on it, I can see the specific details. One more thing to point out is that on this list here, you will see a trade connector called ES5. This represents an exchange simulator that's provided by Deltix. The exchange itself is implemented using the Deltix Ember server. If we click here and take a look, you can see we have a configuration for a test exchange, and the details of which are populated here.